All right. All right, you welcome back. Now still talk. Jesus Christ.
Set up!
All right, now still talk like you did. And we done the country all the betterment. And you too, were there out there, don't they choke your mouth inside. But right about now, we get one casual guest inside the studio. You know today be Betiana, now the better person to introduce our guest.
Yes, we get better person inside the building. And you know, say our young people, now them be the leaders of tomorrow. This person where I get for inside with studio, na rapper. I wanna rap. And in the rap industry for about 3 years, in get song where they make waves now. The song now matter now. And in name, now Joshua Prince, but people where you know him well. Your people go say, or me Timo. People where you know him well, they call him Young Prince. How far waiting they happen?
I do.
Our guns, me.
I just noticed say they give me future preface.
You know, I be prophet, I be professor.
I be musician, but you don't they call rapper. Maybe my next thing I will just switch enter rapping.
You know a rap join the thing.
The rapping.
You know, see, sometimes it's good when you.
And
I wanna rap.
That one they catch eye once I just.
You know, once you just drop like this, I say, hey!
You don't drop.
All right, for the few years we don't see, how many years, Betiana, where you talk?
Years.
Like
3 years.
3 years. How you see the music industry, and they welcome you well? The music industry welcome you well?
No, about welcoming well, they welcome you well, but it's, you know, they easy. As in, it they kind of hard. It's just like, you know what you find come, so it doesn't need to bother you. But just they do what you consign you. You need to think person on. Because if you say make it look everybody reason, and if you just want to stand up, quit music, say they go out.
All right, so why they call you Mr. Prince? Baby, Betiana, Mr. Prince, right?
Young Prince.
Young Prince. Why you actually get that name?
They call me Young Prince because number one, I'm young, and the way I look.
You look like a prince.
I did not. I don't talk so. I don't talk so.
Okay, you don't look like Prince, so why the
Now them say,
They say you look like Prince.
now them say
How
I look
Prince do they look?
somehow.
Now, I want to ask just now, how Prince they look?
Now them say they look somehow.
Who say?
They say people like now, if I stop somebody for now, say hi, what's up? You know go figure fuse. So that's it. That's come in and say, okay, guy, no worry, the Young Prince, even though you the old, you go see the bear Young Prince.
The young
Gang.
And you know when you see him, yeah, you know they know say, if they sing, you actually think a person will want count money.
I'm telling you.
You think a person will preach.
Yeah, because I know say if you want to sing, you got to carry that face,
All
flat
the
hair, do Jericho,
you know.
do dread, wear rings,
Earring for
blink,
ear.
wear somebody rings for neck, yeah, big shoes.
That's in the heavy. Most of the time.
Okay, so you remove your gadgets.
You go remove them. Maybe like say the gym. Probably get
All
most.
right, Young Prince, you go school at all?
Yes.
Or you still do school?
You see that school?
I still do school.
Which
So
of the
which
school?
school?
you go?
Okay.
I go River State Polytechnic.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So for now, I don't done with my ND.
Oh, okay.
So-
Wonderful.
1 year IT.
Okay,
The reason I rest, the reason they get my pace, make people know say I dey exist. Because some people just feel say this guy, normal guy will say every day, yes, I like the way he looks and that. But I want them to know that, more day.
So
Yeah.
they look.
Yeah.
But for your
So they look
family,
like
how your
Prince.
family take accept the fact, say, okay, you want the same? Because I know, say, parents, then they always like, you must go school. Now, lawyer, you go be doctor.
I'm telling
all those
you.
kinds of things. So how you take manage
Okay, never parents. I get 2 sets of parents.
Okay.
I get my mama. I
Okay.
get my papa.
Okay.
My mama own anything you want to do.
Okay.
She's solidly behind you.
Mm-hmm.
As far as go make you do something bad.
Oh.
My papa own be say go school, win my certificate, come back.
Yes, so now don't get the
usual.
certificate, so not be your
Go
own.
school,
No.
win my certificate, come back. So I always promise and say no worry, that's school. I'll bring certificate, give you. Then my mama go settle and wait when I don't make her. So I use the two.
Nice.
All right, for inside this musical, because Queen B, I know say you don't do plenty interviews too with artists, especially artists like Young Prince. And when you ask them this question, how many years you see yourself for inside the musical arena? Most of them, they give us some kind answer. So I ask you now, Young Prince, how many years you see yourself they do music? You get time where you want to do music reach?
I know if it's state.
Okay.
It's inbuilt. And you know go feed us spread it waiting, say now yourself. Just like they ask you say how long you want drive motor.
Okay.
You can't say I want stop 40. You can drive motor if you don't reach 80. So I know if you specify when I want to stop music or when I want to. I just want to do music.
So if for years now you bring out songs and you not blow, you go still stick to the music because now something where you like.
Now something they give me joy.
Beautiful.
Okay.
So if you want to say only me play my song, only me listen to it, I'm happy.
Don't worry, I go support the industry, I go buy.
I like that one way you talk. But you know, say when you want to do music, what people know they understand, we say you need to understand, say it gets person will go write, it get person will go produce the sound, it gets good singer. You they do the three together or person they write, you they sing.
I they write.
Okay.
Then they sing, then another person they produce.
Another person they play, but you they write, you they sing, you they write your songs yourself.
Even before I even enter studio, I don't write song without beats.
Really?
Oh, nice. You normally you supposed get like tons of songs.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice
Okay,
one.
Young Prince. I like the name of Young Prince.
Young Prince.
Young
Go
Prince.
sing for us for a commercial.
Before, you know, get
Okay.
choice now. Anyway, Young Prince, you get everything they do for on Top Talk, where they call them talk the talk and do the do. All our guests, when enter our studios, we always they give them assignments, homework, task. Anyone where you want to call them for them to do.
I can see.
Don't worry, relax. Me is a good
Why
person.
the man they beats me say when I'm in this school, when I your assignment now Windows.
Okay. They give them game. Game goes sweet your belly. Okay, so today game, because say you still be young person and I feel say your brain still they hot. It hot.
I found water this
Okay, so I want you just help us with second stanza of Nigerian anthem. We don't she don't remember again. So one refresh our brain.
He speak language.
Which language we that?
All right, we just get a few seconds for you to actually prove yourself. Prove that you are young prince. The prince must know
10
everything.
seconds. Your time starts now.
That's second stanza.
Yeah.
Oh God of creation, direct our noble call, direct our leaders right,
Boom, boom, boom.
help our youth and in truth to know,
Gang.
in love and honesty to grow and live in just and truth. Make love the answer thanks
Dun, dun, dun.
to build a nation where peace. Maybe I don't journal.
You shine, but don't worry. You use brain carry on. But
try
finally, before
small.
you come up with studios, we want me to just drop one thing, say use anything within
use
us.
Talk
If you use we name, if you use Queen Bee name, if you use my own name, Betiana, or if you use Talk as the name of our show.
And wish people Merry Christmas.
All right, just fast. We need to go on the break now.
Okay.
Drop something for us.
Fast.
We are doing a nice show, and you know we're ready to go, This not talk show, cute ladies on me, then ready to go, Say now young Prince there.
Just the sing, go and tell them something.
I didn't let them, they know.
You know how to be so.
Anytime
We
I
go need
come,
to
I
pass
go,
more
they
break.
give them, they go.
Young Prince, they sing for us, and we
not
dance. We they come
talk
back.
show, till ladies them they and they ready to blow like bomb.